Hello everyone, today I'm here back again with a new video, and today I'm going to introduce another product from our company, from Topleo Technology, which is the S905x4 RK3566, which support 8K videos, which support in 8 GB ROM, and it's on Android 11.0 version. So let's go check it out, the device inside, what we have and how it's look like and how we gonna install the device. So let's go and check it out. Let's open the box here. Let's see the actual device here. As you can see, it's pretty beautiful and it's pretty cool, it's pretty light. As you can see here, we can change the logo for the customer. We can customize the whole device as the customer need. So let's see here what we have inside here. We have two USB port here. We have one HDMI and we have one Ethernet, optical, AC/DC. As you can see, if a customer need to customize the device inside or outside, output or input, we can change it for the customer. So let's go check the device out inside. What we have. We have one power cord here and one here the remote controller here. We have one HDMI cord here and a user manual here, as you can see. We can use the device, how we can install the device to the TV and how we can use it. So let's go and check it out. Okay, so as you can see, I already connected the device with the TV. I connect HDMI cord with the device in with TV, and I connect Ethernet. You can use even Wi-Fi, and you can connect even the Ethernet cable to the device. So as you can see, it's already on here, and it's here. We have the interface of the device inside. So as you can see, we have here YouTube, we have Google Play, we have browser here, we have more in my apps. So you can add other apps from the Google Play Store, or we can customize it for the customer here. We can customize everything here. We can customize the whole apps, the whole surface, the whole interface of the device, or inside anything we can change it. As you can see here, let's go to the setting here. As you can see here, network setting, accounts and sign here, apps, device preference. So if you go to the device preference, here display about Bluetooth, you can connect Bluetooth, you can connect the language, you can just change the language. You have a lot of languages here inside. Sound, you can use it the same like an Android phone. So it's pretty easy to use and it's pretty simple and it's pretty good. So as you see the device, I already installed, I already showed the device. If you have any question about the device, if you have any question about the product, or if you want to buy the product, please click us through Alibaba. We have link in the description, and I hope you enjoy, I hope you like the video, I hope you understand, and if you have any question, please contact us. So thank you very much.